Hi guys, welcome back to kiarabharris. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So today I'm going to be giving you 5 different ways that you can make sure you keep your scalp clean while rocking a protective style. It is important to make sure you keep your scalp clean. You want to make sure you're still promoting healthy growing hair while rocking a protective style. So let's jump right into the video. Number 1, you can use just regular shampoo and water like you would do if you didn't have protective style to wash your hair. Now, a lot of people might not want to do that because they're afraid that it may cause their braids or any other protective style you may be wearing to get frizzy or mess up their style. So you can just use regular shampoo and water and like a clarifying shampoo and wash your hair that way. Number 2, you can also try a dry shampoo. Now, I have tried a dry shampoo and I really wasn't a big fan of it, but it may work different from you, and then I only tried one brand. So there's a variety of different brands out there and you may find one that works for you. Number 3, you take a rag or a cotton ball and use some sea breeze to cleanse your scalp. Now, I have used this method several times, especially with having locks, and I really don't want to saturate my locks or mess up like my retwist super quick. I have used the sea breeze method. So what you do is just apply sea breeze on the rag or the cotton pad, which I usually use a cotton pad, and then you would take it and just clean your scalp with the sea breeze. Number 4, you can use some witch hazel and take a cotton pad or cotton ball, whatever you prefer, or you can take a rag and you can apply the witch hazel and you can cleanse your scalp that way. Number 5, you can take just some regular warm water, or however hot you like your water, in a rag, and put, drench your rag in that, squeeze it out and take that and actually just go across your scalp, rub it, clean it like this, just clean your scalp with the rag, and you can cleanse your scalp that way. So those are 5 ways that you can make sure that you're making sure your scalp is clean while protective styling, because you are applying like oils and things like that on your scalp, and it could cause your scalp to experience some buildup. If you suffer from dandruff, it's good to use some of those methods. But those are some great ways that you can make sure that you're making sure your scalp is clean. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.